I'm very excited to see this launch. I mean, we have a lot of customers from actually 7 countries.
This is actually once in a lifetime happening to me.
The main characteristic of Scania is to be very close to our customers.
It's something that you feel. You feel part of the Scania family.
I've been waiting for this moment for many months.
It is now the best truck in the world, and it's taken 20 years to get it there.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, a very good evening to each and every one of you. Welcome to the next generation Scania Southern Africa launch.
We are a global company with a history that spans 127 years and a strong vision for the future. To be the leader in sustainable transport.
Our partnership is a key foundation for Scania, and all of you here tonight should know that you are truly valued partners.
At Scania, we believe that sustainability and profitability goes hand in hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment we have all been waiting for.
Scania has invested an enormous amount of resources to design and develop this new truck for the only business that matters, yours.
We have set the benchmark and then pushed it even further.
Scania has pushed the boundaries when it comes to fuel efficiency, when it comes to safety, when it comes to driver comfort, the higher uptime, the low running cost. All of this making sure to get the best total operating economy.
The new truck generation has been on the roads in Europe for some time, and the feedback has been fantastic. Within a few weeks of the launch in Paris, it was honored with the prestigious International Truck of the Year award. To support this fantastic product and to deliver the service offerings, we continually invest in our dealer network to support improved uptime and convenience for maintaining the vehicles.
So you're all going to get to know the trucks better a bit later.
The vehicles deliver the lowest operating cost and the highest revenue potential in the market. This is something that we're really proud of, and I really hope that you will feel it and touch it later on.